If you are planning to use SwiftUI for your Project 3, then this video is going to show you how to get started. It's not recommended that you use SwiftUI unless you have easy access to an iOS device like an iPhone. To get started, first you need Xcode. To install Xcode on a Mac, you can download it from the Mac App Store or the Apple developer website. Xcode only runs on Mac OS, so you can't install it natively on Windows. But if you don't have a Mac, then there are a few options available to you. You can rent a Mac in the cloud, which costs money, or you can use a virtual machine. But do some research to find out if any of these options will work for you. To start a SwiftUI project, click on Create a New Xcode Project right here. You'll be given an option to choose different platforms to develop for. You want iOS selected, and you want to click on Single View App, and click Next. Give your project a name, and you want the language Swift and the user interface SwiftUI chosen right here. Next, you'll be given an option of where you want your project to be saved, and then you create your project right here. Now, this is the first thing that you'll be presented with. This a little bit bigger, and you can use these buttons up here to kind of hide these side panels because we don't need them quite yet. And this is what your first project will look like. You can tap on Resume right here, and it's going to give you a preview in this side of the IDE. And there we go. So that's how you get a project started in Xcode. And in the next video, we'll be talking a little bit more about some basics of SwiftUI.